Hi everyone, welcome to the SMT TV channel. Okay, please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell on the right side to get a notification as and when I have the latest video. Show me some love, please like, subscribe and click the bell video. See you inside the channel. Hi everyone, today instead of doing the usual video, I will be doing a video on the market outlook. Okay, so let's go into the market right now.
Hi everyone, today I want to just do a video outlook. Okay, today the date is 24th of October and 2019. Okay, time is 5:12 right now. Okay, I just want to share with you my view of the market. Okay, so right now I will look at a few markets and then we will see what is my view. Okay, so first thing first, we will start with S&P 500. Okay, with S&P 500 charts, and we have a monthly chart. Okay, just want to take a look at the big picture. Okay, so the big picture right now, the trend. Okay, the trend is still heading upwards. Okay, and we have the resistance of the monthly charts is here at around 3,040. Okay, 3,040 will be the resistance of the, okay, sorry, around 3,030. Okay, so resistance of the monthly chart for the S&P 500. Okay, the trend is still heading upwards. Okay, so next we have the weekly charts. Okay, weekly charts is also same. The resistance is around 3,030. Okay, the price is the last few weeks has been heading up, and we have the moving average here. Okay, bouncing off the moving average. CCI is low over here, and then right now it's bouncing off from here. Okay, so we have already into a 3 weeks. Okay, whether we'll break this resistance, that is the question. Okay, so trend, I will say right now on the weekly charts, I will say is still up. Okay, whether you break this resistance, we do not know. Okay, but the trend is still up. Okay, that is on the S&P 500, and the support, okay, of S&P 500 will be at this test low here, around 2,830 will be the support. Okay, and the most recent support is actually at this area here. Okay, around 2,920, where this two tail is. Okay, this is the recent support. Okay, the next support is actually at this region over here. Okay, so that's for S&P 500. Next is Nasdaq 100. Okay, Nasdaq 100, a similar picture on the monthly chart. On the monthly chart, we have a price heading upwards. Okay, and the resistance right now is at this dotted black line here. Okay, this dotted black line here, over here, and okay, this dotted black line here will be at 8,020. Okay, 8,020 will be the monthly resistance. Okay, around 8,020 is the monthly resistance for S&P 500. This is on the weekly charts. Weekly charts, same view. Okay, we have price bouncing off the 20 MA. Okay, and then when the CCI is low, it rebound. Bouncing off the 20 MA, CCI is low, it rebound. And right now, it's hitting resistance. So if we count the candle right now, we are into the fourth week. Okay, we are in the fourth week of the charts. Okay, price already starting to go into over bought region, so possible it may not clear this. Okay, because it already went into the overbought region over here. Okay, but this week is still not closed yet. Okay, we will see whether this week or next week whether you can break the resistance or not. Okay, so resistance right now is around 8,020. Okay, support. Okay, support for Nasdaq chart on the weekly charts. The first support is around here. That will be this tail over here. This is a support, 7,630. There will be the support. The next support is actually below. The next support is maybe around 7,380. Okay, this will be the next support region for Nasdaq. Okay, overall trend is still up. Okay, overall trend is still up, and right now we are at the resistance over here. Okay, maybe we can do one more insight. Okay, of the existing uptrend. Is it getting stronger, or is it getting weaker? Okay, so is it right now compared to in July? Okay, we are almost hitting the new high. Same high, is it getting stronger or getting weaker? So we can plot maybe RSI. Okay, we can plot RSI, just the standard setting for the RSI. So we can see from here, that prior in July, when the price was here, okay, we can see that the RSI is much higher versus right now. Okay, the RSI is lower. Okay, so what we can tell is actually the momentum going upwards is actually reducing. Okay, compared to previously. Okay, this is not so good. Okay, because in the next few weeks, if it doesn't break new high, then it may not gather enough strength and pull back again. Okay, so that is for Nasdaq 100. Okay, next we go to Hang Seng Index. Okay, so Hang Seng Index, different picture. Okay, so we have the monthly chart. Okay, so the monthly chart is here. So monthly chart is still a gentle up. Okay, but it's not a very strong uptrend. Okay, we have made lower high. Okay, on the monthly chart, and going to weekly charts, we can see that the MA is now sloping down. Okay, so what we can see is actually as we go into this area here will become possible resistance for the Hang Seng Index. Okay, and furthermore, we have also the CCI, which is already almost going to over a bought region, which means that the next few weeks, it may pull back down to the support area here again. Okay, so that is for Hang Seng Index. So trend more sideways. Okay, more toward downtrend bias, because we have prices making lower high, and the low is still the same, but support is very strong at 25,000. Around 25,000 is a very strong support. Okay, that is for Hang Seng Index. And lastly, we have STI Index. STI Index, let's look at the monthly first. Monthly is a very long-term chart. Okay, monthly you can see we are at this gentle uptrend support. I would say more like a sideways trend. Okay, on the monthly charts. And let's go into the weekly charts. We can see clearer on the weekly charts what's happening. So on the weekly charts, we have again, market is more sideways. Okay, market is more sideways rather than uptrend. We have the support. Support is around this 3,030 region. Okay, resistance is around 3,400 region. Okay, this is the weekly charts. Okay, so likelihood it will be in this zone, continue to be in this zone for the short term. Okay, so that is for STI Index. Nothing very interesting on STI Index. So conclusion, we can see the US market is still on uptrend, but the strength is weakening. We can see that the Asia Hong Kong market is on a downtrend. Okay, sideways to downtrend. We see the Asia market is sideways to downtrend, more sideways to downtrend for the Asia markets. Okay, so hopefully next month we can take a look at the market again. But I think going into October, November, December, generally, based on season, is generally a strong season, okay? But let's see how it goes, okay? Let's look at the support resistance, whether they get broken or whether they get broken down or broken up. Then from there, we can have a clearer view of what's happening to the market, okay? So the only market right now that is still uptrend is actually the US market, which is S&P and NASDAQ. The rest of the market is generally sideways or to a slight down move already, okay? If not, then thank you very much. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.
So, if you don't want to miss another one of our trading video, remember to ring that bell.